Take a ride in the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.